The verb to be, le verbe être. In French as in English, verbs are conjugated to match their subject, a person, a thing, a place, or an idea. But the conjugation are different and sometimes irregular. Verbs are called irregular when their conjugation changes with each subject. The verb irregular to be is one of the most important verbs in the French language. Simple present tense. Le présent is one of the most frequently used tenses in the French language. It corresponds to the English simple present, and we use it to talk about facts, current situations, and repeated actions, as well as scheduled future actions. Simple present of the verb to be. Listen and repeat. Singular. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Plural. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you all are. Ils sont, they are, masculine plural. Elles sont, they are, feminine plural. How to pronounce? Listen and repeat. Être. Je suis. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Elles sont. Structure of sentence with être. Sentence equals subject plus être plus adjective. Example. He is tall. Il est plus adjective. I am fat. Je suis plus adjective. We are French. Nous sommes plus adjective. They are intelligent. Ils sont plus adjective. She is sad. Elle est plus adjective. They are Indian. Elles sont plus adjective. Note. If instead of the subject pronoun we have a noun, conjugate the verb to be according to the gender and the number of this noun. Example. John is. John est plus adjective. Maria is intelligent. Maria est plus adjective. Mark and Luke are fat. Mark, Luke sont plus adjective. Girls are intelligent. Girls sont plus adjective. Let's practice one more time the conjugation. Simple present of the verb to be. Listen and repeat. Singular. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Plural. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you all are. Ils sont, they are, masculine plural. Elles sont, they are, feminine plural. The verb to be is a very important irregular verb, one of the most important verbs in French. We will use it frequently, so take the time to master it for the rest of the study. The next unit will be the continuation of this one, meaning we will be learning the adjectives, a very important concept to help us make complete and proper sentences with the verb to be. For more explanations and practices, register on my website and get your daily exercises. Thank you for watching, and if you are new on my channel and love the content, share it with your friends, subscribe, and hit the like button for more videos. See you very soon. Thank you.